Hello, hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. I don't normally post on Wednesday, but this week I am. Yesterday I posted a video with my Murron and a regular Silk Off gel nail polish. I wasn't happy with the color. It was a thermal that went from blue to pink. I didn't know it was a thermal before applying, so I took it off not too long ago. I didn't film the removal, I didn't film the peelies, I just took it off. It came off with no trouble. I didn't have to force. I popped it, they came off, but I wanted to come back and film with a color I do like. And then I'll be back tomorrow. Maybe I should post it Friday, give myself 2 days and see how it works. So, be looking for a video Thursday or Friday morning. So we have got the My Murron 2-in-1 base top coat. And this color by Modelones, Leaf U. Well, it doesn't say Leaf U, it's just by Modelones. Oh, it's rubbing off. This is number 8018. And this is a pretty red. Get this off here. So I'll be applying that to my non-dominant hand. Let me get my orange wood stick in case I need it. Sorry for reaching here. I need to turn my light on so we can see what we're doing. Make sure we're in frame. And I was told do not cap with this. Cap with your color, and then the top coat you're going to be using, which should be a soak off for my experiment. You don't need to apply thick layers when you're using gels, and I'm sure anybody that uses a gel knows this. You want thin coats. Not sloppy Susie. So there we go. We're going to pop this in for 30 seconds. That's what the website says to do. So we're going to pop that in. Whoops. And I'll be applying hopefully just a 1 coat of the red. I'm not sure if it's going to be a 1 or a 2 coater yet. I wish I had pulled out some stamping plates for Christmas. That would have been so pretty. But, I don't know, maybe another time, since I am liking the peel off. I'm liking that a whole lot. I will have in my description box the link to my Murron, mymurron.com. But, I'll have the link there. They also have a store on Amazon, so check them out. They're reasonably priced with other gel nail polishes, so I don't know, just so you know that. Yeah, this is a red, alright. Let me wipe some of this off. Really wish I had pulled some stamping plates out. So cap with the color. Get your orange wood stick if you need to for any overages on the sidewalls or the cuticles. Or you get your cleanup brush without rubbing alcohol. That works too. I didn't plan that part out too well. I grabbed an orange wood stick and called it a day. Yes, I did. But yeah, I think I'll be posting this on Friday morning. Because I want to give it some time. I want to enjoy it. I want to test it out, see how well it works so I can report back. Give it a proper chance, right, ladies? You gotta give it a fair shoot. You gotta give it a fair chance. I did not this time rebuff my nails since I just did them yesterday. I am liking this red. Really wish I'd have pulled out stamping plates. It's a great color for Christmas. So, oh, don't forget, I still have the giveaway going on. I draw, I'm pulling on the, oh shoot, that's way over on the sidewall. I am drawing on the, let's start capping some nails here. I'm drawing on the 16th, the video will go up on the 17th. So glad this isn't a regular polish where it's already dried on me. So I'm making quite the mess. There. Okay. I'm going to pop this in now for 60. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. I am going to top coat now with this steel top coat by Modelones. We're going to put this bad boy on. And we will recure for another 60. This is a beautiful red. I know I keep saying that, but I really do like it. This one is not a thermal. Cap the end of your nails. Remember, it's just your base coat, don't cap. I feel like I'm not getting very much top coat here. Oops. There we go. There. Be back in 60. Alright, we are back. We have cured for our last and final time. We have this beautiful cherry red nail polish. Lipstick red. It's beautiful though, right? Right. Well, this is our experiment. We have capped our nails with everything except the Murron. We capped them with both of Modelones polishes, but not the Murron. So if you're going to do that experiment, I guess that's the way to take. Just to see right now if this is going to peel off or not. Because I keep doing it wrong. You know, just to give it a true test. So we'll come find out Thursday or Friday. and we'll go from there. This is the end, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.